Today I'll be repairing this iPhone 5C. First I'll have to power it off somehow. That will be the biggest task of my life. Just power off. Please. Just power off. The touch screen doesn't work as well. So hold on, what if I do a hard reset? What is it even doing? Oh yes, I have my iCloud on this already. I've got all the stuff from X-Plane onto this phone from my other phone. Oh wait, hard reset. That won't do anything though. Is it just going to restart? Let's just continue. I will need a head right to remove the screen from this. This doesn't work, by the way. I'll get the smallest screwdriver, which is this one. Number nothing, it's called. Number nothing. And this is not the right screwdriver, by the way. This is the only screwdriver we have. I'll do the easy screw first. This might be a video in 2 parts. Kitty! Come here, Kitty. He's not been here for 7 days. He's back. And he's so cute and fluffy. Look at that little kitty. Take a picture of him. Kitty. Kitty. So he's just meowing and sitting in the corner. Continue. Yes, this will be needed to remove the display. And also needed to remove the screws. The head wire is in. It's somewhere. I'll get it later when I need it. Okay, I think I can do it with my finger now. Not yet. That was my mum in the background. Emptying the bin. And we empty the bin twice a week. No, 3 times a week. There's one screw. I'll put the screws here. I burped while saying aisle. I didn't even eat anything. I've not eaten anything since lunch.
Yappa.
Shut up, Kitty. I'll use the screwdriver. Does my cat have a belly button? That does not want to come out. Use the other end. Wait, it's rotating. I think it's not even in there. So I'm going to remove the screen. This one doesn't need a head dryer because I've already done it yesterday. Truly doesn't need it. Don't think it does. Since I've already removed the screen yesterday. This video will be guaranteed to be in 2 parts. There we go. One side we need that screw out. I think think at this point it's just really loose already. Or it's not even in there. Okay, so I guess I would just open that up. Like so. Even the bottom area is cracked near the home button. Moving on to the iPhone with the working screen. This one's the dead blue one. This one's the working blue one. Kitty! He's meowing again. Actually, I'm not giving up the fight. Wait. Stop meowing! Okay, it's coming out. Hopefully this will come out. Nope, I have to screw it out even more. Scoop. I'm actually really excited to get this iPhone fixed because this has run out of storage already. I'll transfer my iCloud again. I'll do it with my finger now. It's like 5% away from being out. Shut up, kitty! Stop meowing! He's like, meow! He's just like, meow! I think he's annoyed or something. Okay, I can finally peel off the LCD. There's the screws for that shiny metal cover. Okay, now the screws are coming out. Is there a smaller one? No, there's just a weird pickaxe one. Yes, now he's meowing. Ow! I think he's upset at this point that we're not giving him any attention. He's just a sad kitty, laying on the floor, waiting for some food, I guess. Or he's just being lazy and picky. Damn it, the screw fell into the shell. I was about to say fell into the fuselage. Of course, how would the screw fall into the inside of an airplane? I don't know. It probably could, in my imagination. I think I can disconnect the battery now. I've disconnected part of the LCD. There we go, that's come out. I can disconnect battery, said battery. There's the old cracked LCD. It honestly doesn't look cracked. Hold on, I'll pull that screw out with a magnet. Yup, with a magnet. I'll carry on in the next episode because I'm running out of time. So I've got this iPhone now. Bye for now.